Hi students, good morning. Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about the control structures in the object-oriented programming subject in second unit. What is this control statement? Control statement, which is used in the programming language, it is to control the flow of your program execution. Okay, based on this execution order, the data will be supplied to the conditional logic. Okay, based on the conditions only our program will be executed and we will get the output. Normally in programming languages the control structures are divided into three parts. Okay, like already you might have studied in the C programming also. In Java also we are having a three parts: selection statement, iteration statement and jump statement. Okay, these are all the statements which is fall under the control structure concept in the programming language. First one, the control statement. It is divided into three statements, right? Already we have discussed in the previous slide. Then in selection statements, we are having the if else statements, if else, if nested. Okay, these kinds of statements and switch case statements. Okay, so based on the condition, it will select the statement and execute. So only it is categorized under this selection statement. Next one is the iteration statement. It will check for the condition. If the condition is true, it will execute that particular code block. Okay. Else it will skip that particular true part and it will go for the else part. Okay. So here the iteration statements are while, do while and for. The next one is the based on the condition. It will jump from one block to another block. Okay, or one code block to another code, or one method to another method, or one function to another function. That kind of statements it will be grouped into a jump statement. First, we will proceed with the selection statement. Okay, the selection statement, it is also called as decision-making statements. It have two types: if statement and switch statement. Okay, if related programs, if conditions, using that, then switch conditions. So based on the condition, it control the your program execution. And basically this selection statement, it is used in our programming language to provide the power and flexibility. First, we will proceed with the if statement. We are having two types of statement. Okay, right? If statement and switch statement. First, we are proceeding with the if statement. Okay? If statement, it is used to test the condition. What are the condition which we are giving in the if, that will be checked. And also it will check the Boolean condition. Basically, if statements, it will be used for the Boolean checking alone, either true or false, either 1 or 0. Okay, and it is a kind of conditional branch statement. In this, the root program, it will be executed in two different parts. Either if condition is true, that particular block will be executed. If condition is failed, the else part will be executed. Okay. If we are having the different types of if statements, if else, nested if else, if else if. Okay, these are all the some of the types of if types, if statements, or we can call it as if statement. Okay, this is the flowchart of if statement. Condition will be given. If condition is true, then if code will be executed. If condition is false, the alternative, this else part will be get executed. Okay, this will be used to test the condition. It executes the if condition if the condition is true. Then this is the syntax for if statement. Syntax: if condition will be given, then that corresponding code block will be given for the execution. This is the example for if statement. Class main, the class name is main. Then the main method, public static void main. Then in that I have given two values for x and y variable. checking with the if condition. If we are giving the condition is given as whether x is greater than y. If condition is true, then it will be get it to the loop and it will print x is greater than y. Yes, in this case, the x value is 20 and y value is 18. Obviously, x is greater than y. So this condition is true, then this block will be get executed. Then it will generate output as x is greater than y. Then this is for if-else statement. This also used to check the condition and executes. If condition is true, it will execute the if code. Else, it will execute the else code. Okay. Then this is the syntax and this is the flowchart. Condition is given, true, if code is executing, false, else code is executing. After if will be executed. Okay. Then this is the syntax, if condition code block, else code block. And this is the example for if else statement. Class main, this is the class definition and main method. Number is given. In this, just we are going to check whether the given number is even number or odd number. Okay. If number equal to 10, the number is given. Here, the number 10 will be passed here. Number 10 divided by 2 equal to 0 if you are checking. If the number is even, then it will generate the 0, then it will print it as an even number. Then else it will print is an odd number. System.out.printer, and the number is 10. We will not get any more remainder, so this number will be an even number. Next one is nested if-else statement. The nested if-else statement, this also it will be used to check the condition. This is the syntax. If condition will be given, if the condition is true, then it will be get into the block and it will check for the another condition. If both the condition are true, it execute this code block, else this block will be get executed. For that, the flowchart, it is for understanding purpose. Condition 1 is given. If condition is true, then the corresponding code will be get executed. If it is false, it will check for the condition true. If the second condition is true, corresponding code will be get executed. If condition is false, then it will go for checking the condition tree. Okay. For that, the given number is program is given to check the largest number among the three numbers. Okay, I have given the three numbers. From this, I am checking the greatest number and finding it. Right here, the number 1 is minus 4.5, number 2 is 3.9, number 3 is 5.5. Okay, if n1 is greater than or equal to n2, checking. If condition is true, yes, condition is true only. N1 is greater than this 3. Condition will get false because here the number is minus 4.5. So it will go for the else part. Next, if we are check again here also we will check if n2 is greater than or equal to n3. Checking. So if n2 is 3.9 but n3 is 5.5. So already we know that the n2 is not greater than n3. So it again condition will get failed. So it will go for the else part. Okay. Then the entry is larger number. It will be get printed. Next one is if else if. Okay. The conditions will be given. It's like a previous only, but it will use the ladder. Okay. If, then else if, else if, else if. Okay, else part. Okay. Here also we are checking the greatest number among three numbers. Here we are using this with the help of this if condition. Okay. Then we are checking the three numbers in the one statement itself, one condition itself. If this condition is failed, then it will go for else if. This condition is also failed, then it will go for this else. Okay. According to this, this two condition will get failed, so it will execute this last else part alone. Okay. And this is for switch statement. It will execute one statement from the multiple conditions. The expressions will be given. If the condition is matching, based on the cases will be get executed. For that, the program is given. Okay, a day is given, and the day 4 the 4, it will be based on the condition, it will be get executed. Therefore, 4 will be executed. The case 4 will be called and it will print the Thursday output as Thursday. Okay. Okay, friends. Thank you.